Take 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, Quarantine Cookers here. We've had Jared do the baby back ribs, which are phenomenal. I'm gonna try that, Jared. What we have here, come on in here, honey. We have some country style ribs, and we're putting just a rub. You put any kind of rub on here you want. This is a Traeger brand prime rib rub. My assistant has already put a good coating on one side, and all I'm doing is flipping them over. We're gonna let them set out for as long as we possibly can to let them warm up. You want your meat to be kind of warm before you put it on the grill. Well, I say warm. You want it to be close to room temperature. If you can wait that long, it seems to cook better. Doesn't cool your grill down. Get those flipped over, they're being stubborn. But while these are setting out, absorbing some of this goodness, go ahead and just sprinkle that on there. We're gonna light the grill and show y'all how to cook up some fine pork chop country style ribs. We'll be back. We're back. We've got our country style ribs. They've been sitting out for probably 30 minutes. We've let our grill get warmed up. They're not paying us anything, okay? This is not a Green Egg. But if Green Egg wants to send us a green egg, we'll cook on it. We'll make videos for them. I got this thing set. It's just almost a little over 350, all right? And we're gonna put them on. It's gonna take 35 to 45 minutes. So if y'all haven't watched the baby back rib video, Millie loves pork. If you haven't, speaking of which, my friend Lamar, no, we're not gonna give her one of these. My friend Lamar said he's eaten so much pork that he could fill the Kentucky Exposition Center up twice with pork skulls. If you don't know what the Kentucky Exposition Center is, it's 1.2 million square feet. That's a lot of pork, guys, gals. But what I was gonna say about the ribs, you see I'm just putting these on here, I'm grilling them. Jared did a baby back rib recipe and cooked those for you. Get a look at those. That's gonna be yummy, yummy. Jared did the baby back ribs 3-2-1 method. This is about the 40-minute method right here. His is, he can go kayaking. Y'all go watch the video. He went kayaking when he cooked these. I can't go kayaking when I cook these. They're gonna be awesome. Go check out his baby back ribs. Come back 45 minutes from now, you'll see me eating some delicious country style. These are boneless, by the way. You can get bone-in. Boneless country style ribs is what we got today. Stay tuned. All right, we're in at about 15 minutes. All I'm doing is flipping them. See that? Perfect. That's what you want. May see the difference in this and this. That's a little more crispy, got a little more bark on it. I'll move it over, get it over some more of this flame right here. That's what you want. Move that one down here. Kind of get an idea of where your hot spots. They claim these don't have hot spots. These type grills, that's a lie. It's a marketing lie. They have hot spots. They have cool spots. Now you just kind of have to figure it out when you're cooking. All right, we've been going at this for about 35 minutes. Around 325, 350. Come in down here, look at this. Okay, these are done. You can kind of feel of them. They firmed up, but I went ahead because I don't want to make anybody sick. I cut it, make sure These are going to be delicious. Now, I'm leaving them dry. There's an option that you could, at this point, put your favorite barbecue sauce on here, but we're not going to do that. We're going to just leave them dry. They'll be juicy and tender and yummy. Little taste test here. Oh. Legit. You're gonna like them. Savory. Oh yeah.